Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the search bar always visible on Shopify. So the first thing that you'll need to do once you're logged in, go to this list panel and click on Online Store. Right here, it's preferable to create a duplication of your theme. Click on the three dots and click on Duplicate. For me, as you can see, I do have a duplication here. So the theme at the moment looks like this. Of course, the first issue that you may notice, there's no search bar, there's an icon. On the free themes, most of them have the icon. So if you go here and click on Edit Theme, as you can see, if you scroll down, first of all, it will disappear. So it will not appear anymore. And the second thing is if you click on the header right here, it has only the icon, doesn't have the bar. So first of all, if you want to make it visible all the way up, once you click on the header on the list panel, this new right settings will open. And right here on this sticky header, you'll have just to choose always. Once you choose always, click on save. Now if I go to the store, so let me just go and review the actual store. So once I click on preview, if I scroll down, the search always will be visible. But as you can see, it's not a search bar, it's a search button. So you'll have to click on it to make it a search bar. If you want it to appear as a search bar right away, this is possible as well, but it will be a little bit tricky, so stay with me. As you can see, I will link this Notion page in the description. All you need to do, just follow it up. So going back here, click on the three dots and click on Edit in Code. We'll have to go on this left panel, basically, and right here, we will need basically the snippets. So we'll have open the snippets and create a new file. So what we'll have to do is simply copy the first line, go back right here, create the file and name it exactly that. So now go back to the Notion page and copy whatever beyond this and paste this here or there. So let's just go and copy all of this and paste this right here. Click on Ctrl S or save at the top right. As you can see, it's right here. Now we'll have to go and look for header search. So of course, we're not looking for ours. We're looking for header search.liquid. Click on that. And now I need to go back to the Notion page one last time, copy the last one right here, go back here and go to the top of this and paste it. Then save again. And you should be good to go. You can just quit now this, and all we need to do, just hit a single refresh. As you can see, now it is a search bar instead of a search icon. So, and if I scroll down, it will not disappear because I edited that earlier in Edit Theme, as I said, once you click on header and make it always not on scroll up. So it will not hide the header. So you'll find the link of this Notion page down below the video if you want to copy the code to make it a search bar, and that's how you make it visible all the way up. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.